If you want to learn English naturally, listen to this very carefully. You don't need a teacher, you don't need a classroom, and you don't need perfect grammar. You only need one simple habit: mirror English practice. Hi everyone, welcome to MX English Podcast. This is Mia here, and I'm really happy to be with you again on the podcast today. Mirror English means exactly this. You listen and then you repeat. Just like a mirror reflects what stands in front of it, when English sounds reach your ears, your mouth starts to learn the sounds. Your ears pick up the rhythm, and your brain begins to recognize the patterns. This is precisely how children learn their first language. They never study grammar rules. They simply copy the sounds they hear. When you repeat English again and again, your tongue becomes more flexible. Your pronunciation gets clearer, and your confidence starts to grow. At the beginning, it might feel a bit strange. Your voice may sound weak or shaky. You will probably make mistakes. That is perfectly okay. Mistakes are actually a sign that you are learning. Don't stop the audio. Don't translate everything in your head. Just listen and repeat. Even if you don't understand every word, your brain is still working quietly in the background. 10 minutes every day is enough, but make sure you do it every single day. Not 1 hour once a week. A little bit daily brings much better results. With mirror practice, English slowly starts feeling natural. You stop overthinking. You just speak. Your mouth moves before fear has a chance to stop you. So today, make a promise to yourself. Say this: I will listen. I will repeat. I will trust the process. English is not hard. It only needs the right method, and mirror English practice is that right method. Now, take a deep breath, put on your headphones. Let me show you the correct way to do mirror English practice. This method is simple, but simple does not mean weak. Simple often means powerful. If you follow these steps carefully, your English will change gradually. Not overnight, not in 1 week, but in a real and natural way. Stay with me and trust the process. Step 1. Choose easy English audio. This is where most people go wrong. They pick very fast audio. They choose material with very difficult words. They jump straight to native level videos. Then they feel frustrated. They feel confused. They feel weak. That is not your fault. It is simply the wrong choice. Easy English is not childish. Easy English is smart. Choose audio that you can understand at least a little. Not zero understanding, not full understanding. Some understanding is perfect. Look for clear pronunciation. Look for calm speakers. Look for natural daily English from the MX English Podcast. Short clips, daily conversations.
1 to 3 minutes is enough. You don't need long videos. Short audio works better. Your brain learns more effectively when it is not tired. So remember, easy, clear, short. That is step 1. Step 2. Listen first. This step is very important. Never skip it. Many learners want to speak right away. They want to repeat immediately. But first, you must listen. Listening prepares your brain. Listening prepares your mouth. Listening prepares your ears. So, press play and just listen. Don't read subtitles. Don't pause. Don't repeat yet. Just listen. Feel how the words flow together. Feel the speed. Is it slow or normal? Feel the emotion. Is the speaker happy,
calm, or serious. Language is not only words. Language is emotion too. When you listen carefully, your brain naturally starts copying the patterns. You don't need to force it. It happens by itself. One listen is usually enough. That is step 2. Step 3. Play it again and repeat together. Now you will speak. Play the same audio again. This time, repeat with the speaker. Not before, not after. Together. Same speed, same tone, same rhythm. Do not stop the audio. Do not pause after every word. English is not spoken word by word. English flows, so let it flow. If you miss a word, just keep going. Don't go back. Don't feel bad. Missing words is normal. Even native speakers miss things sometimes when listening. Your goal is not perfection. Your goal is movement. Keep your voice moving. This builds fluency. Repeat the full audio even if it feels difficult. That difficulty is good. It means your brain is learning. That is step 3. Step 4. Use your mouth fully. This step changes everything. Many learners speak too quietly. They speak inside their mouth. That doesn't work. English is a mouth language. You must open your mouth, move your lips, use your tongue, and feel the words physically. This trains your muscles. Speaking is muscle training, just like going to the gym. If you don't move the muscles, they stay weak. Speak clearly, even if your pronunciation is not perfect yet. Wrong pronunciation is better than no pronunciation. Don't whisper. Use your real voice. Hear yourself. Your ears will correct you slowly over time. Be patient. This is how confidence grows. That is step 4. Step 5. Repeat one audio many times. This step is about focus and depth. Many learners jump from one audio to another every day. They never repeat. That slows progress. Choose one audio today and repeat it 3 times, 5 times, or even 10 times if you want. Each time, you will notice improvement. Words become easier. The speed feels slower. That is real progress. Depth is better than quantity. One audio deeply is much better than 10 audios quickly. Tomorrow, pick a new audio, a new voice, a new energy. Slowly, day by day, your English changes. You may not notice it every day, but after a few weeks, you will feel it. You understand more. You speak faster. You feel lighter. One day you will notice something special. You are speaking without fear. Words come out without translating first. You are not thinking, you are speaking. That moment is powerful. That moment changes everything. That is the real power of mirror English practice. Now here are some extra tips. Practice every day, even if it's only 5 minutes. Don't skip days. Consistency is more important than long sessions. Try to do it at the same time every day, morning or night. Make it a habit. Sit in the same place. Use headphones if you can. Reduce background noise. Focus only on the sound. If you feel bored, change the audio, but keep the same method. If you feel tired, take a short break, then come back. English practice should feel like training, not like pressure. Some days are easy, some days are hard. That is normal. Don't quit on hard days. Hard days build skill. Easy days build confidence. You need both. Remember, you are not bad at English. You just need the right method. Mirror English practice is that method. No teacher, no classroom, no fear. Just you, your voice, and English. Keep going. Your English voice is already inside you. You are just waking it up.